Okay. Hello and welcome to the series about AllGah. AllGah is all gates. So here we can see one gate, it's configurable, and here we can see the second gate. AllGah in its set reset flip-flop or a reset set flip-flop connection has memory. So we will show how the memory works. If I start both AllGah, the memory is shown as the LED turned on, this one. If I do this, the LED is switched to this one, and this means it has memory. So I switch here, and that's the memory. This is the NOR gate, and this is the NOR gate. Two NOR gates crossed using wire junctions, and we have set reset flip-flop. So that's it. Thank you.